This video explains how to open a book that is featured under recommended books and ebooks on your class page. Once you have a book in mind, simply click on the book cover or the title link. It will retrieve the record from our library catalog. Here it is, Long Overdue: The Politics of Racial Reparations, in the category of book. You see the book cover to the left. Right under the title, you're going to see a description. In this case, there are two descriptions. This means that we have two different formats for this book. The first description, full text available. Anytime that you see this description, it means that you have instant access to the book. It is electronic resource or ebook. All you have to do is click on the link. In this case, it brings you to the part of record that shows you the link to get into the book. Sometimes the link will take you directly to the book. This is where you click on the link to prompt you for the barcode. As of fall 2020, the CUNY login rather than the barcode is now the required access code. If everything's alright with your barcode, you should get into the book immediately. Here it is, Long Overdue: The Politics of Racial Reparations. It is a book in our Project Muse collection. If we scroll down in an ebook, you're going to see for this platform, chapters are in PDF. Students can decide as they scroll down which chapter they want to download. Here it is, the chapter, 37 pages of it in PDF. Once you have a PDF, you decide if you want to download or print. Now, if we backpage to the same record and go to the second description, available at Kingsborough CC Stacks. This description tells of another format. It is a print copy on the shelf. Students need to be in the library and look for it on the shelf. You will need to write down this code, which is called the call number. There are maps throughout the library that tell you how to locate the book with the call number. As you see, this is also a link. If we click on this link, it brings you to the section of the record that tells you all the available copies in Kingsborough as well as CUNY. As you see, other CUNY libraries also have copies. You can decide if you need to go to the individual library yourself or make a request for this book from the City College to arrive at Kingsborough for you to pick up. You will need to sign in with your activated barcode to make this request. As you see, there are various ways for you to get the book. All you have to do is take a look at the descriptions right under the title.